So today we are going to learn how to install nginx as a service using nssm. So first we need to run cmd as administrator. Then we have to go to the binaries where our nssm is installed. So in the nssm win64 folder we are going to go, and then we need to run the command nssm install nginx. Let me copy this command and run it. So it is going to open an uh, nssm GUI, and then we are going to update the path. So let me copy this path and go to the GUI, and here I need to write the path. So let me open, and you need to select. It will automatically select the startup directory. Then in the details we can write nginx service, and we need to update the service log path also. So we need to update the path as this, where in the output and error section, and then we are going to click on install service. So the service is installed, and we can check it in the services.msc command. If you look at here, nginx, so this is not running somehow. So sometime the problem could be the port 80 is connected to the some service. So we are going to check this using this command, and here you can see the port 80 is connected to the process id 4. So we need to run the command and kill the url. So for that we are going to run this command, which is there, netsh http show servicestate, and here we will see which url is connected to the port 80. So this url is connected to the port 80. Now what we are going to do, we are going to kill delete that url. So the command is this one, copy it and paste it, and it says the url is deleted successfully. But sometime what happens, it is not deleted. So we need to run this command netstat PeerDistSvc. So this will stop the branch cache service. Once it is done, then we are going to check again, and then in that case still it is not running. In that case we have to restart the system. And if we want to remove the nginx service, we need to run the same command on the uh, GUI cmd nssm remove nginx, and if we run this command, it will remove the service, and we can check it in the services console. The command is out.